We're ready for Bravado flight number 2. All I've done is added a little bit of Expo, or added a fair bit of Expo, so hopefully I can control the plane a bit smoother. Got the same battery size. I just want to give it another fly around and then think about what I'm going to do with the balance point and control throws. So we're ready to go. Well, it still feels like a weird flying plane, but anyway, that wasn't going to change. One thing, the colour scheme is very easy to discern the top from the bottom, so I suppose that's a good thing. So the roll rate isn't that high. I'm on low rates, but it's not as high as I thought it would be with those throws, so that means I could easily use more. I might put the rudder into high or normal mid rate. Maybe it'll give me a better chance of it. Keeping a knife edge going. Oh, dropped a lot on the crosswind there. Seems to be needing a bit of down trim really, but I'll leave it for a moment. Yeah, well, with more rudder, makes it easier to hold the knife edge up, but I'll just trim this elevator a little bit. Not that I'm any good at 3D aerobatics really, or many aerobatics. Oh, that's a severe rudder turn now, with it on normal rate. Came down a bit low there.
2 minutes.
Well, it's probably balancing roughly the same point with the other battery, so it still flies like a very tail heavy plane at 95 millimeters. It'll be interesting to see what it flies like with a 2200. Just testing what it does at weird angles, what's stalling, and
1 minute.
a bit higher, and
To go. 15 seconds. Prepare for landing. Commence landing procedure.
so there's something wrong with the A3 Super 2. As soon as I turn gains on, it starts flying really weird. Oh well, time to land. So at the moment the A3 Super 2 is unusable, because if I turn the gains up it just acts strange, so there's something not quite right. Once again, an odd plane to fly. I don't like it at all really. I much prefer my Sabak 342. But maybe I'll grow to like it. I don't see it helping me do any 3D stuff because it's just so twitchy and weird acting tail heavy. So I'm sure I've seen videos, it can do 3D stuff very well. Maybe not as good as a perfect 3D plane could, but it can do it. But if that's what 3D planes are meant to fly like, I don't think I really want one. And I'll just stick to my warbirds and normal aerobatic aircraft.